Hey there. So last night or late yesterday afternoon, we landed here at Valley of the Fire West, and I'll include the GPS coordinates in the description below. But this is about 30 to 40 miles northeast of Las Vegas on Highway 15. There's a road going into, you see the cars out there? So that's a road going into Valley of the Fire State Park. We're going to go take you guys along here in a bit, and we're going to drive through the state park. We went through there a long time ago, and I vaguely remember, but I remember it was beautiful. But we're going to go check that out today. And then you can see here the snow on the mountains. Here, and we kind of woke up to this view this morning of the mountain out in that direction. It's absolutely gorgeous here. This is about the middle of March, and yeah, you can see there's a few campers back up in here. We have a neighbor, but this is the first spot that you get to coming in off the highway. And when we saw it, Tina said, pick that spot. It's absolutely gorgeous. If you guys are coming through the area, you need a place to stop. This is BLM, 14 days for free. We're gonna just be here one more night, and then we're gonna head into Utah. But it's beautiful here. Hey guys, well here it is, Valley of Fire State Park. It's pretty gorgeous, right?
Oh wow.
Cool.
I've wanted to come here for a very long time. It's worth it.
Yeah.
It's pretty.
It's pretty.
Oh yeah.
Well, this is kind of the first stop. Let me turn around here. These things behind us, right here, are called the beehives. And some kind of rock formation that actually looks like a beehive, so it's pretty neat.
Didn't know Nevada had such beauty out here. We've only heard of, Las Vegas.
Yeah, you think Nevada, you instantly think of Las Vegas, but there's some beautiful stuff out here in these state parks, so put it on your bucket list.
You can rock climb, you can hike, you can camp.
Yeah, campground's full, but you can boondock outside the park like we're doing. Yeah.
I think it's awesome.
It's a beautiful March day. The weather's nice. Not too windy, not too hot. Just the way we like it. Mountain goat, right there. It's a little mountain goat hanging on the edge. Mountain goat, it looks like it. The best I can see zooming in.
Cool.
Yeah, cool, huh?
Yeah.
All right, you ready to go? Head down the road. Are you ready to head down the road? Yeah? Okay. World renowned for its 40,000 acres of bright red Aztec sandstone outcrops, Valley of Fire State Park contains ancient, petrified trees and petroglyphs dating back more than 2,000 years. The Visitor Center provides exhibits on geology, ecology, prehistory, and the history of the park and nearby region. Continue just past the Visitor Center on Moose's Tank Road, and you'll find the breathtaking drive, the one we're on now, through the ancient sandstone outcrops. We had a blast spending the day at Valley of Fire State Park. Thanks for checking out the video. Leave a comment and let us know where your favorite state park is. Maybe we'll visit there someday. Until next time, safe travels.